All right, let's get to it. So this is one of those scenarios where I think to myself, for hedging would just be so fucking perfect. Even look at this, it hit the daily zone just perfectly, right? Oh my gosh, man. We'll come back. I'm gonna change locations. All right, cool. So, like I just said, the hedging would be interesting to see how I could do that and how I could just manage trades just because it's a 50-50 chance. Like all of this, most of this is just 50. Well, I'm not gonna say most of it. Like it literally is 50-50 chance. It's either gonna go up or down. And even if it does go sideways for some time, even if it does consolidate, it's either still gonna go up or down, right? So having said that, right, soon as it hits stop loss, I could just be like, fuck it, I'm gonna just enter a buy now. I'm gonna just enter a buy. Immediately as soon as I hit stop loss, right? And then see how that goes, right? And even if I hit, let's say the trade still reversed right here, and then decided to come back down. Then after that, I could just enter for another sell, and then I could just win that sell, right? Only thing is, my risk to reward ratio will have to be a lot better than 1 to 5.3. Right? I mean, 1 to 1, right? Like this is decent. 1.53 risk to reward ratio, that's decent because even if I take a loss, it's not that big of a loss, right? But my wins have to be bigger than my losses so I can, compensate for all of those losses. For example, if I lost 2 times right here trying to short it, finally, well, my bad. If I lost in the imaginary scenario, right? I lost this one, right? I decided to sell it once again right here, higher into the resistance zone. Sorry, my fucking eyes are fucking weird right now. I decided to sell it once again when it's deeper into the resistance zone, thinking it's gonna be a good short position, right? I was wrong. Now, I was wrong right here, and I was wrong right here. And then I decided to enter for a buy, and I finally take that buy, right? If that buy could wipe out both of those losses, then I'll be good at break even, right? That'd be the ideal scenario, ideal situation. So now the only thing is, it's all about managing, right? Now after this, I'd have to see or figure out a situation in which I can manage trades and just enter them immediately, right? Enter trades just so I could bounce back quickly as I can. Because as soon as this ends, as soon as this as soon as I'm out of this trade, the market's gonna keep going. I still have various opportunities, right? If I immediately took a loss, that means market's just gonna go up, so I could just buy it. Same thing with this. Boom, take a loss. Even right here, even if I entered right there, look at that. Even a 1-1, I could have made it back. I could have just boom, made that shit back, breaking even, right? So that's kind of what I'm getting at right now. The hedging is something that I do need to make more research on. Additionally, I don't think I could hedge the way I would like to with the 1 to 100 leverage. I think 1 to 500 is actually more ideal. I trade with Hugo's Way right now. I have an account with Hugo. Well, I had an account with Hugo's Way, and I think the best that they offer is 1 to 100. So I'd either have to go to CoinEx, which I think I already tried, or Forex.com or something like that, because I know they probably allow 1 to 500 leverage. But that's something I want to do more research on. I do want to do more research on the hedging. And if I can't, I think I'm gonna have to find some type of strategy where I just immediately enter the opposite trade, right? And see how that plays out. So that's kind of something that I've been thinking about recently. So now I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna input some of this data think, yeah, the last one that I answered was USD CAD. So let's see how that played out. Wait, that's this one. Oh no, that's this one. Yeah, okay, yeah. I remember looking at this last night. So there's a problem with this already out the gate. In the 4 hour, you cannot see a clear break and retest. Price just melts through the support zone, right? But if we were to go into the 1 hour, right, there is a slight break and retest that to me is pretty valid, right? Price breaks the zone, retests it right here. It's actually a really good reversal too for fib. Retest it right here, right? And then it continues on the downside. The move had already happened, right? But my ass, usually, I try to fucking still enter it thinking that the move hasn't been made, but no, it has been made. I'm thinking this is like a huge break and retest. But there's two reasons why this isn't a break and retest, right? One, obviously the break and retest already happened right here in the 1 hour. You can see it very clearly. Number two, price has already gone so deep into past the zone, bro. Like it's already been all the way down here, damn near to the next level, right? Damn near to the next zone. So that's two reasons why this wasn't viable, right? I I feel as though if I remember correctly, I don't know, I'm kind of getting FOMO vibes out of this and kind of just a lazy setup. Clearly it may look like a break and retest right here, right? Like that may look like a break and retest, but I have to look at all of these in confluence. I have to look at all of the time frames in confluence to make my decision. Now, it may look like a break and retest in the 4 hour, but like I said, on the 1 hour, it had already happened and it already went way past the zone, almost reaching this next zone. So that's two reasons why this wasn't a viable setup. It's totally fine though. I'm catching all of these. Obviously towards the end of this account, I'm gonna make another overview of all of the trades that I've taken in this account, study them and write about them. Gotta write about them and see how I can just further improve. What I'm thinking is that I really have to continue this momentum that I have going because that's the only way that I'll really build my intuition and get a feel for the markets because I've taken way too many breaks in between my trading that I think it's just stifling my progress, honestly. It's making me hold back. And I have to keep a momentum. I have to keep a consistency if I do want to become profitable because I'll be zoned in, I'll have a feel for the markets and I'll have that consistency, that practice, and that's exactly what I need. Taking a break even for like a month, bro, like I need to stop doing that. Is like it it just hinders my progress so much, bro. Like I feel good now though. I feel good now. I'll have a good momentum going. Unfortunately, yesterday I could not make a video, but that's totally fine. That's totally fine. I was applying for jobs and I'm gonna apply for more jobs today and figure out the game plan that I'm gonna do for these next couple months. Not even tripping. A lot of this shit, so it's like careless mistakes, but I have it all. Like I have it. I feel like I'm locked in. Excuse me. I feel like I'm locked in. So that's that. All right, we're gonna look at the alerts now. ZD entering zone. Fuck yes. Fuck yes. Oh wow, this is a viable setup for. Oh wait. Wonder if I wonder how long I have my TradingView account for. I might have to purchase that shit soon. I think it's like 126. Fuck, 5 fucking days left. I basically just have this week of trading. Fucking crazy. 126. Fuck. Yeah, I gotta figure that shit out. Alright, I gotta figure that shit out. Really, I just need the pro. I'm not even tripping about these other ones. I need the pro. I wonder if this can be seen right now. Maybe not. Anyways, yeah, I'll need to fuck around and get the pro because that's a good fucking offer. 30% off. Apparently, it's 30% off. Um, Jesus, man. All right, I'll figure that shit out later. I have 5 days anyway to fucking get that shit done. Um, back to trading view. Let's see what's up. NZD CAD entering zone. Okay, that's super viable. Super viable. I'm really liking the way this is setting up for NZD CAD. At the same time, it doesn't exactly meet my trading criteria, but I did mention that I was gonna do like a mix of reversals and breaking retests. So I'll think about it. It's still deep in the zone, so I still have time to make a decision. I'll make it by the end of this video. Euro GBP coming down to support. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. And that was in the Dookie section, so I was just waiting for something to occur with this trade. I mean, with this pair. So it's coming down right here. Let's take a closer look, though. It's looking hella choppy. It broke past the zone and then decided to come back up real quick. I do have an indecision candle right here that did break past the zone. And just based off of that, that would have been like a good indication to short it. But then immediately after that, it had printed a bullish candle that just breaks past the zone, and now it's just being weird. That was just being fucking weird. So I'm gonna place an alert right here, crossing down, and if that doesn't play out, then I'll just put one right here, crossing up. All right, cool. So that's that for Euro GBP. There's not much else I could do. Let's see what happens. I'll see what happens. That's all I could do for that. EuroCAD bear. Interesting. Wait. Interesting. Well, clearly broke past this trend line, so that's no longer relevant. We are on a wait, hold up. We are on a steady, hefty, sexy ass uptrend. This is no longer relevant. This zone I think is still valid. Down my motherfucking eyes, Jesus. Jesus Christ. My motherfucking eyes, bro. Yeah. All right. Damn, I don't know what the fuck going on. Oh, mama's my fucking eyes burn. Crazy. All right. All right, what we about to do? What we about to do? All right. This came down to this daily zone. Gotta remember this is a daily zone right here. This came down to this. Fuck. This could happen, or this could happen. That's all I'm gonna wait for. There's not much else I could do. It's just choppy right now. GBPCHF crossing down. Nice. Respected that zone. Respected this daily zone. Now it's decided to go on upside. Doesn't meet any of my criteria, but it is a reversal trade. So that could have been something, right? It could have been something. GBPCHF. I'm gonna put crossing up on that. And just wait. I'm gonna just wait. There's not much else I could do. I'm gonna throw this on the Dookie just because I feel like it's gonna take a while to set up. And then I'm gonna look at these setup incomings. NZDK, we got the reversal, that's a possibility. Euro GBP, we got both of those alerts ready in case they pop off. And then GBP AUD, this is looking like a Dookie pair so far. Not much I could do with this, to be honest. It's just like, you feel me? It's just like, you feel me? Like, so I think I'm gonna just throw this on a Dookie. Um, fuck. Yeah, it's not much I could do with this. It's not much I could do with this. I'm gonna zoom out. It's a clear uptrend for sure. Super sexy uptrend. I'm feeling like there's a zone right here, un poquito. Y entonces podemos poner el break and retest más acá arriba y puedo cambiar esto hasta aquí y ponerlo crossing up. That's actually not bad. So I'm gonna put it back on setup income. Yo, JPY, hypothetical setup. It's fucking lagging like crazy right there on the daily zone. So, hey, something's about to happen. Something's about to happen. Something's brewing. Something's brewing with Euro JPY. Could even be a break and retest if I'm being real. So I'm just putting an alert right here. Could be a break and re. I just gotta wait. That's it. It's just a waiting game for this shit. Most of the time, it's just waiting games. Like, serio, way. Crossing down. That's about it, dog. Yeah, that's about it. I don't see much going on with this just yet. I think, well, it's not that I don't see much going on with this. It's just that there's nothing ready, right? There's nothing ready. It's a waiting game. It's very consolidated at the daily zone, so I'm just gonna have to wait and see until a decent move plays out. But there's nothing right now. There's nothing right now. That basically concludes this video. Like I said, I'm gonna look more into hedging. I'm gonna look more into managing my trades when they hit stop loss and shit like that, and what to do after they do hit stop loss. And if it's like a very, very strong reversal, or my bad, if it's a very assertive move, like if price immediately hits my stop loss and I see it going in the other direction, then by all means, I think I'm gonna have some type of strategy or system where I just immediately place an opposite trade and then hopefully break even or make a little bit more profit. Like I said, if I could do a 1.5 risk to reward ratio, then I will make profits. But if I do like 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, I sell and then it goes into stop loss and then I buy and then I take a dub, then I would have just breaking even, right? And breaking even is cool, but like I said, if I do a little bit better risk to reward ratio, then my winners will take over my losses and then I could be slightly profitable in that sense. But that does conclude this video. I'm gonna do some studying today and see where we go with this. Peace.